Shwmai, croeso. Welcome to Lesson 7 in Learning the Basics of Welsh. School Life, Part 1. Here are some key vocab you'll need in school life in Wales. The word for school itself is ysgol. Ysgol. Amser cofrestru is registration time. This is where your class, your dosbarth, your class or your form will register. And when the register is taken in Wales, we say yma, which means present, literally here. So when the register is called in your school, yma. The word for lesson is gwers. Gwers. The word for subject is pwnc. Pwnc. It's a lovely word, isn't it? Right, here's a few questions to get you going. If you want to ask the teacher, may you do something? Gai. May I go to somewhere? Ga I fynd I. And the common one, of course, may I go to the toilet? All Welsh children know how to say this in Welsh. Ga I fynd i'r tŷ bach? Try that one again. Ga I fynd i'r tŷ bach? Ga I fynd i'r tŷ bach? Now then, you can say os gwelwch yn dda for please, but please is fine. So, ga I fynd i'r tŷ bach, please? And if you do want to say thanks for anything, it's simply diolch. Diolch. If you have an assembly at your school, the word is gwasanaeth. Gwasanaeth. Okay, moving on. The curriculum in Wales is different to other countries, and it is changing at the moment. But you might come across these core subjects, so let's learn them. First off, we kind of got to know this word, but here it is again. And do you remember I said that there is an emphasis in Welsh? Well, in this word, the emphasis is in the wrong place. It's Cymraeg. Cymraeg. Okay, the emphasis is on the last syllable. Cymraeg. Cymraeg. Some people call it Cymraeg, Cymraeg, or Cymraeg, and that means Welsh, the Welsh language. Okay, it means Welsh language. It doesn't mean Welsh anything else. It means the Welsh language. Okay, the English language is Saesneg. Saesneg. Some people say Saesneg. Saesneg. Okay, this is an easy one really, and this is where the emphasis is on the last but one syllable in mathemateg. Mathemateg. Try it again. Mathemateg. And here's a new word, which is science in Welsh. Gwyddoniaeth. And the emphasis is going to be on the on. Let's try it. Gwyddoniaeth. Gwyddoniaeth. One more time. Gwyddoniaeth. Okay. So Cymraeg, Saesneg, mathemateg, gwyddoniaeth. Now then, Cymraeg extra. In Wales, some schools teach all their subjects in Welsh, and Welsh is the language of the school community. Welsh medium schools are growing and expanding all over Wales as more people want their children to have a Welsh medium education. There you go. Right, bit of revision for you now. Remember these? These are the colours in Welsh. We did these a few lessons ago. Let's revise them and see if you can say them with me. Coch, melyn, oren. Oh, if you can roll your R's in Welsh, it's really good. Oren. If you can't, don't worry. Not everyone can. Oren. Gwyrdd. Porffor. Arian. Glas. Du. Gwyn. Llwyd. Aur. Efydd. Okay, those are the colours, remember them. Your writing task. Make your school timetable in Welsh. Stick it on your wall. Show it to your Welsh teacher. Whatever you want. Here's an example. Something like this. Cinio is lunch. You may have 5 lessons a day. Here are the words for the days of the week. We've done those already. Dydd Llun, dydd Mawrth, dydd Mercher, dydd Iau, dydd Gwener. So, there you go. Da iawn. Well done. You're on your way to speaking Welsh.